We have learned how to find the volume of a cylinder. We have also learned how to find the volume of a cone. Today, we are going to learn how to find the volume of a sphere. The volume of a sphere is 4/3 times the product of pi and the radius cubed. So let's go ahead and identify the things that we need. We need 4/3, right? There we have that right here. So 4/3. And then we're multiplying times, okay, so we're good with that. The product, so product means we're doing more multiplying. The product of pi, so here's pi, and there we have pi in our formula. And the radius cubed. So now we need the radius cubed, and that would be right here. So there are three things that you need to find the volume of a sphere. You need one is 4/3, two, you need pi, three, you need the radius cubed. So the only thing that you need to find out in order to find the volume of the sphere is you need to find out what is that radius. So when you have a diagram or you're reading a word problem, you really want to find out what the radius is. And now pay attention also and make sure that you realize that now instead of the radius being squared, it is going to be cubed. So let's take a look at how this would work. Here we have a sphere, and we need the three things that we talked about in the previous slide. We know we need to have 4/3. We know we need to use pi, and we need the radius, and we're going to cube the radius. Well, we find out here that the radius is 6 millimeters, okay? So we know r equals 6. So now if we write this equation out, we're going to have 4/3 times 3.14 times 6 cubed. And then we simply need to solve that problem. So we have 4/3 times 3.14 times 6 cubed, which is 216. And then when we multiply all of those together, we get 904, and we're going to go ahead and round that to the nearest tenth. So the volume of the sphere is 904.8. Now, we have to go back. We always have to have a unit, and if you notice right here, we're working in millimeters. So 904.8 millimeters, and with volume, we're always cubed. So once again, what did we look for? We included 4/3, we included pi, and we included our radius. We multiplied them all together, and we're able to find our volume. Okay, I want to see you guys try this for yourself. There are a couple got it questions in the middle of the page. Go ahead and do those right now.